Hi, in this video we will show you how to replace the converter of your PUQ press. You will need to order a replacement converter and display sticker with the codes displayed on screen. The tools you'll need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, a P2 screwdriver, pliers, and a box cutter. Start with pressing the set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0. Remove the plug from the socket. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Loosen the 3 profile switch screws. Remove the screws with pliers. Cautiously remove the profile switch with pliers. Unclip the cable connector. Remove the circuit board. Loosen the 3 middle cover screws. Remove the middle cover. Loosen the ground wire screw. Remove the display sticker. Remove the rubber feet. Loosen the 2 back cover screws. Remove the back cover. Unclip the cable connector. Remove the 2 drive unit screws. Remove the drive unit completely. Loosen the 2 screws and remove the converter plate. Loosen the 2 studs and remove them. Remove the converter and disconnect the 2 cable connectors. Reconnect the 2 cable connectors. And put the new converter back in place. Tighten the 2 studs. Put back the converter plate. And tighten the 2 screws. Make sure the ribbon cable is placed underneath the drive unit. Put the drive unit back in place and connect the cable connector. Tighten the 2 drive unit screws. Put the back cover in place. Tighten the 2 back cover screws. Put back the rubber feet. Apply the display sticker.
Daar had je hem inderdaad wel. Wel hele, met deze close-ups.
Tighten the ground wire screw.
Vast hebben we dan. Ook vast hebben we nu al. Dus eigenlijk...
Put the middle cover back in place. Tighten the middle cover screws. Put the circuit board back in place. Clip on the connector to the circuit board. Install the profile switch. Tighten the profile switch screws. Tighten the tamper base by hand, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Plug in the power cord. Set the power button to 1. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Click on the top cover. Test the drive unit on proper functioning with your portafilter. Excellent. Let's tamp.